Okay, let's solve two problems on the vectors with respect to position vectors, distance vector, and the distance and unit vector. Find the vector PQ and unit vector PQ. Okay, so first of all, they will be giving point P and Q. So P and Q they have given. So draw like this. P is the starting point 2, 1, 4. Q is the ending point -2, -4, -6. So PQ vector can be written as ending vector minus starting vector. So Q minus P. So Q vector can be written as, so here -2. So it is a Cartesian coordinate system. So in Cartesian coordinate system, we are having x, y, z with respect to x, ax with respect to y, ay with respect to z, az unit vector. So -2 into ax, -4 into ay, 6 into az. So it is a Q vector. Similarly, we can write the P vector 2, 1, 4. Ax, Ay, Az. So once we got P and Q, so we can do this Q minus P. So take this Q and minus P. So according to this subtraction, so you will get PQ vector like this. So it is a vector. It is having both the scalar quantity as well as the direction. Scalar and direction. Scalar and direction. In which direction? X direction, Y direction, and Z direction. So now you can calculate a unit vector. Unit vector is equals to vector divided by magnitude of vector. So unit vector, they asked you to find out PQ. So PQ unit vector equal to PQ vector. PQ vector you already found. So PQ magnitude you should find. How to find out the magnitude is square root of this coefficient of ax square. Ax coefficient is -4 square. Coefficient of ay is -5 square. Coefficient of az is 2 square. So if we do like that, we'll get root 45. So overall, the unit vector is the vector divided by the root 45. Will get it. So this is how you should solve the problem. Okay. So similarly, so we are having the one more problem. So we are having the problem like this. So here, so I will just switch like this. So P point Q or 3 points are given. So they are asking you to find out position vectors of P and Q, distance vector RQR, and distance between Q and R. For this, you should first find out here position vectors. Position vectors, we are always taking the reference of origin. So first take origin and the point P. So connect these two lines. So this is called as the vector position vector. Between O and P, we can write it as OP, or simply, so radius vector also will call with respect to point P. So it is recognized as RP or OP. Okay. So how to calculate this? Same, ending vector minus starting point vector. So you will get this. Since all are here 0, so you will get Cx minus 3ay plus 5z. Okay. Similarly, position vector of R they have asked. So R is here. So take this line and find out the vector like this. Okay. Next, B, distance vector. Distance vector RQR they asked you to find. So here ending vector is RR in this. Starting vector is RQ. So RR is nothing but a position vector with respect to R that you already found out here. So position vector with respect to Q you didn't find. So you should calculate RQ. So RR I will keep as it is. RQ. So here look at the Q. So take the O to Q. So it is going to be 2, 4 and 6. Okay. So RQR finally you will get like this if you subtract these two. Okay. That is a distance vector. Distance between the two vector Q and R. Okay. Next, distance between Q and R. Distance between Q and R is nothing but magnitude. So it is a vector, it is a scalar, that is the difference. Okay. So how to find out the scalar is, already you found out this value. Okay. So take the magnitude of this value. So square root of 2 minus 2 square minus 1 square 2 square. So what you will get? Root 9. So it is 3, you will get it. Okay. So here, so root 9 you will 3 you will get it. Okay. So if you closely observe what is they are asked as position vectors, how to find out the position vectors is, in the position vectors they will, you need only the point of help of only one point, other point is origin. Okay. In the second point, distance vector, in the distance vector you need the help of 2 points. Q and R. Okay, so in the third, distance between, so here in the B you found the vector, in the C you will find the magnitude. So this is how you should solve the problems with respect to the position vectors, distance vectors. Okay, thank you. We'll see in the next video with the next update. For the videos like this, stay tuned to Mahiti Duniya YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon for the latest notifications. Thank you.